Hello guys, welcome back to another part of this series. This is Yui, and today we'll be designing another Twisted Wonderland wallpaper, which will feature Kalim using a program called Photopea. So, without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Let's design. First things come first. Let's start by creating our canvas and dragging and dropping all the elements that we will be using. In today's video, our honored guest is Kalim. And we will be now erasing all the parts that we won't be using while keeping the part that we will be editing on. The only part that we will be using is the upper part of Kalim's body. We will scale it a little bit and reduce the lightning to -100. We will now add our inner background to our canvas. We will make sure it is on top of Kalim's layer. Scaling it a little bit and clipping it to Kalim's body. Make sure to choose the right angle to your design. Now to the most annoying part, the masking. We will erase all the parts that we won't need by using the black brush, while making things reappear by using the white brush. Adding a gradient fill layer to our design and clipping it to our inner background. We will do the same step to the inner part, which is Kalim's body too. But first, let's fix a little bit the background. Things might be a little bit annoying at the beginning, but never lose hope. Now we will add the inner background, the gradient fill to our design. I'm keeping track with Jamil wallpaper to make sure the colors are not different. Now we will add our chibi sprite. Erasing the background from it and reducing the lightning to -100. Choosing the perfect position to the chibi and also adding a color fill to it. Now we will be adding the background to our design. Going back to erasing the inner background, you will see me editing it a couple more times. It might be boring, but the results will be amazing. Now we will add the mirror frame, making sure that Kalim is not way too big to the design. And now we will erase the extra parts of Kalim's body by adding a clipping, a mask layer. Make sure you don't forget any part. Now we will go back to the inner background and fix some things. Trying to make the edges of Kalim's background a little bit darker from the center to make more depth to our design. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. You will be able then to support me, and I will be able to make more and more videos. You can also comment below this video by asking me to design any character you would like to see next. thinking and reconsidering the background multiple times, I decided to spice things a little bit. So I decided to use the liquify brush, which is in the filter menu. Doing so, I was able to make the ceiling a little bit higher and making the sky wider, which will give more infinite to the design. So by doing so, I decided to erase the ceiling while keeping only the sky appearing. And this was the right step to it. After all, the problem that was in the design was indeed the ceiling. Making sure we give Kalim the perfect position. Maybe a little bit higher, reducing a little bit the opacity, because the more further he is, the more less the strength of the color will be. Now adding the gem, my favorite part, adding the gem, and the lightning. We'll erase the name and making sure we spell his family name correct. Making it in the middle of our layer. Yes, we are almost done. Doing final adjustments. We are almost done. Be patient and we are done. Both Kalim and Jamil wallpaper are now finished. What do you think about the results? We reached the end of our video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to check out my channel. Visit my Buy Me Coffee link in order to download your free Kalim's wallpaper. Don't forget to comment below who you would like to see next, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.